In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check achievements on Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on where to find all of the achievements in Attack on Titan Revolution and how to see your progress towards each category. So all that you have to do is after you go through the main menu, click play, and you will be able to find yourself at this page before you join a lobby. So all that you have to do now is click on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. So between the social tab and the settings, click on this star icon with these wings at the side. You will then be taken into the achievements menu. As you can see, there are a bunch of categories, and all of these categories have different tiers of achievements. So they have achievements that are referred to as bronze trophies, silver trophies, and gold trophies. Of course, the ones that give you gold trophies are going to be harder to acquire. And you can click on any of these categories. So for example, Wings of Valor. Complete the following achievements to earn a special item. So if you complete all of these, you will be able to earn the Shiki title here, or the family. So for example, complete 15 total achievements, 500 gems, 30, you get 800, and so on. So you will be able to browse through all of these achievements here. Once you click on any category, you will be able to see your progress towards earning these trophies, and you can check them at any time. So these are a nice way to always have something to work towards, so you can set an objective or a goal to yourself, and you will be able to earn gems that can be used for all sorts of things. So there are various achievements or categories to choose from. For example, there are difficult ones related to combat. Some of them are related to dying, which is funny, but as you can see, if you die 250 times, for example, you will be able to get 1,000 gems and so on. So complete all of these and you will be able to check your progress at any time by accessing this icon on the menu before starting a game. I hope I was able to help you on how to check achievements on Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.